Ladies and gentlemen, this is Microsoft student partner Ali Khan Abel. Today the topic of my presentation is artificial organs by 3D printing for the subject professional research and communication. My ID is 30381336. Let me give you a bit of background and overview. In US alone, there are over 1,16,000 people on the life-saving transplant waiting list, but only 10,866 donors were available in 2017. So there is a huge need to produce artificial organs so that we can fulfill this need. 3D printing is a rising field in different regions, including medication, tissue designing hardware, and aeronautic design. This innovation is a striking strategy in tissue designing exploration that fabricates 3D platforms with persistent explicit shape and model permeable plan, and to make living tissue develop, for example bone, ear, ligament, liver, etc. The purpose of this study is to understand how 3D printing technology can be used to generate artificial human organs, to see how it is incredibly beneficial to produce custom prosthetics and implants, to know about the ability of 3D printing technology that can revolutionize the human organ transplantation. What could be the research questions? For what reason is 3D printing ready to upset the future medical services? What would be the challenges for printing an artificial human heart? Why the organs made by 3D printing will be given priority than the real organ transplant? Hypothesis. Doctors or scientists can practice on artificial human organs instead of doing experiments on animals. It will speed up surgical procedures and produce cheaper versions of required surgical tools. It will reduce cost and time spent waiting to receive a new medical device from external suppliers. With the utilization of 3D printing, list of patients who waits for their organ transplant for 6 months to 4 years could fundamentally be decreased, at last sparing lives. So the methodologies. The research is completed by using qualitative technology. Qualitative methodologies are best for describing, interpreting, contextualizing, and gaining in-depth insight into specific concepts. Existing data, various case studies and articles were analyzed to gather crucial knowledge about what already has been found out. Relevant literature is, according to a paper, The Future of Bioprinting, a new frontier in regenerative healthcare, written by Chloe Kent in 2019. A group of scientists at the American Friends of Tel Aviv University have 3D printed a fully vascularized heart using fat tissue cells from a donor. Medical Device Network website published on 10 June 2019 that a surgeon will have an option to utilize the 3D printing innovation of the handheld pointer to put the bioink into a harmed joint layer by layer. The ink layers, which are contained foundational microorganisms and extraordinary shows development factors inside a biopolymer network, a structure which a patient's repeating cells will quickly fortify for enduring ligament fix. So the data collection, reviewing research papers, website articles, observations, case studies, conceptual analysis. This is how we can do data collection and measurement tools. Thank you so much. These are the references. Thanks. Bye.